Could Disney World have a hidden gem that feels like a deluxe resort but doesn't cost deluxe prices?
Spoiler alert, Coronado Springs might just be it. I mean, stunning new tower, sprawling villages, a pool that could be its own theme park, and dining options that make you forget you're at a moderate resort.
Today we're taking you on a full end-to-end tour. Gran Destino Tower, bridges of Lago Dorado, Castillas, Ranchos, Cabanas, and yes, that dropping Lost City of Cibola pool.
By the end, you'll know if Coronado Springs is perfect for your next Disney adventure. Ready? I'm Lee
And Lee,
with All About the Duck. Let's dive in.
step into Gran Destino Tower and wow, this isn't your typical moderate lobby. It's elegant, sophisticated, and instantly feels like an escape from the theme park chaos.
Spanish modernism everywhere. Intricate wooden screens, bronze details, Morse lanterns casting a warm glow. And yes, there's even a subtle, smells expensive vibe in the air.
Downstairs, the Barcelona Lounge is your daytime coffee oasis, and by night, swanky cocktails. Honestly, you could accidentally spend an entire day here.
But let's talk rooms. These aren't your standard door to the outside moderates. They are spacious, about 375 square feet, clean hardwood style floors, subtle Disney touches from the animated short Destino.
Beds are comfy, plenty of storage, Keurig with Joffrey coffee, and a walk in shower with both rainfall and handheld sprayers. Oh, and the toilet's in its own room. Morning routines just got civilized.
Pro tip, pick a room facing the lake or Gran Destino's tower side. You could catch fireworks from the parks with your evening drinks. Now, let's talk about the pool. Cross Lago Dorado and you'll find the dig site, a Mayan ruin themed water paradise that's a total showstopper.
Centerpiece, the Lost City of Cibola. It's a 50-foot pyramid with cascading waterfalls, and yes, there's a 123-foot Jaguar waterslide shooting out the side, guaranteed to make you feel like a kid again, no matter what your age.
Little ones, they get their own fenced in kiddie pool. Adults, relax in the largest hot tub at Walt Disney World, which can fit up to 22 people. It's perfect for soaking those tired feet after a long day in the parks.
But the fun doesn't stop at the water. There's a sand volleyball court, an archaeological playground for kids, and the Iguana Arcade for some extra gaming.
Evening tip, stick around for movies under the stars or the occasional poolside campfire with marshmallow roasting. It's a total magical experience.
Quick insider tip: shade is limited, so snag a spot early if you want a little extra sun relief. And if you get hungry or thirsty, Siesta's Cantina has quick bites and refreshing cocktails right by the pool. Super convenient.
Honestly, whether you're sliding down the Jaguar, lounging in the hot tub, or just enjoying the views of Lago Dorado, the dig site makes Coronado Springs feel like its own mini resort within a resort.
Coronado Springs is huge. So let's break it down. There are three villages: Casitas, Ranchos, and Cabanas. Each one has its own personality, vibe, and style. So which one you choose can really shape your stay.
Let's start with Casitas. Picture bright, vibrant colors, colonial Mexico architecture, beautiful courtyards with fountains and perfectly manicured gardens. It almost feels like you've stepped into a lively plaza. And if you get a preferred room here, you're just steps away from El Centro, where you can check in, grab a bite, or hit the shops. It's convenient, buzzing with energy, and honestly, you'll feel like you're in the heart of the resort.
Next up, the Ranchos. Think rustic southwestern vibes, multi-level ranch-style buildings, desert landscaping, rocky streams, and quiet corners, perfect for a little downtime. This area is more remote, quieter, and super peaceful if you want to escape the high energy pool scene. It's great for families who want a calm evening or anyone who wants that vacation zen feeling.
And finally, the cabanas. These are themed like a lakeside retreat, cozy tropical bungalows with lush landscaping. They're perfectly situated between the Gran Destino Tower and the dig site pool, so you can easily hit both the main pool and the tower without too much walking. It's kind of the best of both worlds, convenience plus that vacationy laid back vibe.
One thing to keep in mind, the resort is sprawling, so distances can be deceiving. The bridges that connect the villages to the Villa del Lago are fantastic shortcuts.
And don't forget the internal bus system. There are four stops, Gran Destino Tower, and one in each village, so you can get to the parks or just move around the resort without sweating buckets.
Seriously, walking around is gorgeous. The lake, the bridges, all the little courtyards, but that Florida heat is no joke. Plan your routes wisely and maybe pack a water bottle or two.
And here's a little insider tip each village has its own quiet pool. So if the main dig site pool is packed, you can sneak away for a more relaxed swim. It's like your own secret little oasis. Coronado Springs dining really punches above its weight for a moderate resort. There are about 10 options, ranging from grab and go quick service spots to full on rooftop experiences that feel like deluxe resorts.
Let's start at the top, literally. On the 16th floor of the Gran Destino Tower, you've got Toledo, tapas, steak, and seafood. The food is Spanish inspired, the service is top notch, and if your time for your dinner right, you can even catch the fireworks from Epcot or Hollywood Studios. Definitely a wow dining experience without leaving the resort.
Right next door is Dahlia Lounge, a gorgeous bar with an outdoor terrace. Perfect for cocktails, small plates, or just soaking in the lake and tower views. It's one of our favorite spots for a relaxing evening. Great vibes, cozy seating, and yes, Instagram worthy views.
Out on the water is Bridges Bar and Grill, literally on an island in Lago Dorado. The open air seating, casual eats, and sunset views make this a really memorable experience. Grab some tapas, a drink, and just watch the boat and wildlife on the lake. It's peaceful, scenic, plus the food is way better than you'd expect for a moderate resort.
Back at El Centro, you've got Maya Grill, a table service spot with traditional Mexican cuisine in a dramatic Mayan themed room. The atmosphere is fun for families, and the menu has something for everyone. Think sizzling fajitas, flavorful enchiladas, and hearty portions.
For sports fans or anyone wanting casual American fare, Rick's Sports Bar and Grill has pub style food, plenty of screens to catch the game, and an energetic atmosphere. Perfect if someone in the family needs a break from Disney magic for a little sports fix.
And for everyday convenience, El Mercado de Coronado is the resort's main quick service food court. They've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Everything from grab and go sandwiches and salads to hot entrees. Great for fueling up before heading out to the parks or a pool day.
Extra perks Coronado Springs is the only moderate resort with two fitness centers, a smaller one in Gran Destino Tower and the main one on La Vida Health Club in the Casitas area. You can also jog the scenic trail around Lago Dorado or sign up for something fun and unique like Sangria University. Yes, that's real.
And because it's a convention resort, there's a full business center too, which you rarely see at moderates. So if you need to get some work done or maybe just plan your next Disney day, they've got you covered.
Basically, whether you're after a fancy dinner, casual eats, or just a quick bite, Coronado Springs has you completely covered. Okay, we need to talk about something important. Coronado Springs is also a convention resort.
Yep. That means sometimes the resort can be loud, busy, and packed, especially during big conferences. Don't be surprised if you run into groups heading to meetings or the lobby feels more like a bustling city center than a peaceful retreat.
But here's the thing, it's all part of what makes Coronado unique. Even when conventions are happening, the resort is massive. So there's usually a quiet pool or a hidden corner to escape to, even if you want peace and quiet.
Exactly. And honestly, some people actually love the energy. It can feel like the resort has its own mini parade of activity. Just plan ahead if you're after tranquility. Maybe avoid the big conference weekends.
So, fair warning, sometimes it's lively, sometimes it's serene, but it's still worth it for everything else this resort offers. So, does Coronado Springs give you a deluxe experience at a moderate price? Absolutely, if you know what to look for. Gran Destino Tower rooms, the dig site pool, three unique villages, and incredible dining all make it a top tier option.
That said, remember, this is also a convention resort. There will be times it's loud or busy, especially in the lobby or during big conferences. But the resort is huge, so you can usually find a quiet corner or one of the smaller pools to escape to.
Whether you want firework views, family pool fun, or lakeside retreat, Coronado Springs delivers. And knowing what to expect up front means no surprises. You get the full experience without disappointment.
So go ahead, plan that next Disney getaway. And as always,
See
see you
you
real
real soon.
soon.